A lot of people don't understand how big manufacturing is for Wisconsin and what a huge part of the economy and the industry it is. Manufacturing provides so many jobs and opportunities and ways to develop our society and our infrastructure that I think are way beyond what the average everyday person is exposed to. So I've been so lucky to work at companies like Miller and ITW. We're all just engineers working on engineering problems, and it's been a really great community. Miller actually has about 12 of these business units that operate as independent companies. So we have the resources of a giant company, but we work together like a small company. And the engineers here are a part of every project from beginning to end. And I really like that because I get to learn about finance and business and working with the vendors and the optimization and design of the projects. I always knew I liked problem solving and learning new things and taking things apart. When I started taking engineering classes in high school, it was really just an open playing field of creativity. In the midst of that was when I realized that I want to keep building cool things and I want to design things and I want to help people with my talents for the rest of my life. I picked mechanical engineering and manufacturing because of the breadth and because you get to do these projects from start to finish and you get to learn such a variety of skills and talents. And I think the best projects are the ones that have an immediate impact. For example, I designed a fixture out on the line that they had been trying to solve with different contractors for 20 years. And the answer turned out to be just a simple shape that holds the tool that they need to work on and manipulates it for them. And it was immediately rewarding because I got to see the impact that it had on the people who are doing it for hours every day and see how it improved their lives. In any role, in any field, that confidence is one of the biggest strengths that you can develop in yourself. I think even for people who have those stigmas and stereotypes against women or whoever, people that are not who they're used to working with, focusing on developing the skills in yourself and the confidence to present them as strong as they deserve to be presented goes a really long way. So I would encourage any woman or any employee coming up after me to not be afraid to ask questions and to learn as much as possible.